Hi, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. So today I'm going to be featuring a used truck that I have. It's a truck I just picked up from the cleanup shop. Our boys over at J&F Detail, Big Truck Detail on Instagram, he did a fantastic job getting this truck all polished up. It's all ready to go now, so let's check out this truck. Alright, so here we are at the truck. This is a 2016 Peterbilt 389. This was owned by a fleet maintained, well looked after, well cared for. The truck has 733,000 kilometers, so that's just under 500,000 miles. As far as the front axle goes, we got the aluminum rims. And it is on an air ride front axle. I'll show you that here in a second. Just look at the beauty that the cleanup truck can do. They just polish this thing right up, just beautiful. You got your def tank, your fuel tank. So this side here has, oh, it doesn't say the capacity on here. So I would guess it's probably about 130 gallon fuel tank roughly on there. It's got the 73-inch tall sleeper. It is a single bed inside, so it's not a double bunk. We got the low air leaf suspension. So we call this the AG400L on a Kenworth, and it's the same suspension on the Peterbilt, just called the low air leaf. We got virgin rubber. This truck is available immediately. We just did a safety on it, and it's ready to go to work, so give me a call if you're interested. We've got aluminum wheels on the inside and outside. We had the frame painted, so it's a fresh coat of paint on the frame and on the diffs as well. We got the heavier rear ends in here, so it's got 46s. I'll tell you what the gears are here in a minute. And here's your rear axle, 11R22.5 rubber, of course. Your rear tires, rims, all polished, shined right up, nice. What a pretty truck. So the back of the bunk has a few dents and dings. If you're putting a headache rack on it, it'd hide that up pretty nice. But just to give you a true representation of the truck, there is some wear and tear, some road rash on it. You got room to put an APU on the side here if you wanted to install one of those there. It is a 244-inch wheelbase. And of course, dual exhaust, dual air cleaners. Let's open up the hood, take a look underneath. All right, so has a Cummins 500 horsepower. It's 1850 torque on the engine. It's an ISX. Nice and clean engine. Actually, we just had the rear structure, a leak was just corrected on it here last week, and so that's all in there. This truck is very clean, ready to go. Like I said, air ride front axle. We've got the remote lube terminal right there. Let's take a look on the other side. There's a safety latch. So here's this side. No leaks, everything's in pretty good shape. And tires are decent on this truck as well. Let's take a look inside the truck. All right, so now we're inside the truck here. We got power windows both sides, power door locks, power mirrors, and they're heated. As far as the interior goes, let's just take a look. Here's the mileage, 735,000 kilometers. So in miles, that's 456,992 miles on the truck. So very low mileage unit. It's got a nice gauge package on here, full locking differential, so you got your power divider, front and rear axle lockup, and cruise control, your Jake control right here. Obviously it's got the manual 18-speed transmission, leather Sears seats on both sides. Let's just show you what those all look like. So there's the seats, mint condition on this one here. This one here, just 3 little cigarette burns, nothing too major though. So it's a pretty good shape. Here's the bunk. So we got storage on both sides. We got the fridge up here, and we got the lower bed and a rear window, and then storage on the sides as well. So there's a quick tour of the inside. All right, so thanks for coming by the channel today and checking out this truck. If you are interested, you can give me a call, 204-293-9180. That's my cell number. You can call or text me anytime, and I will get back to you. And all the rest of the details are listed down below in the truck specs here. So just check that out below if you're interested in the pricing and the rest of the details. So again, thanks for coming by the channel and checking out this truck. And as always, have yourself the world's best day.